Hey guys, Nishant here and welcome to my channel NG Tech, and today we're gonna look at the Samsung Galaxy M10, which is Samsung's latest budget offering in this price segment of below 10k. So let's just dive in. And let's just see what's on the box first. Samsung Galaxy M10 Infinity V display, dual camera, slim design, and all the specs listed here. This is the 32 gigs variant. You can pause here if you want to read every specs. So it is on the box priced around 9,290 rupees, which is you're gonna get it for 8,999 rupees on Amazon. Let's just unbox the device. You get a power cable. Let the device boot. We'll see everything else first. Okay, the travel adapter, which is of 5 watts, a Samsung branding on the top, which is very cool. Okay, so what else we got in the box? A SIM ejector tool. Okay, and what else is there inside this box? Okay, a quick startup guide, a regional log guide, and a warranty card. So let's just get rid of all this and just concentrate on the phone, because that's why you are watching this, right? Okay, let's just put this aside. Okay, I'm really excited because a budget smartphone of Samsung, which is gonna be really cool, I feel. Fingers crossed. Okay, let's just peel this plastic off very quickly. Okay, that the device is still booting. It looks very plastic. Okay, it is very plasticky, but yeah, what else you can expect for this price, right? Okay, hi there. I'll just speed up all the process here, so to save you some time. And boom, we are in the home screen. Okay, a typical Samsung user, if you are a Samsung user, you'll be like home here, because it is running on Samsung experience. So yeah, everything looks very Samsung-ish, I'll say. So what else? Okay, I'll give you overall overview of the phone. On the bottom, micro USB port and the headphone jack, and on the right hand side, volume rockers and power button. And the cameras, dual cameras. One is 13 megapixels with f1.9 aperture and 5 megapixels with f2.2. A SIM card tray on the left hand side. A screen is 6.2 inches of 720 by 1520 pixels. It's still a 720p display though. It's an LCD panel, so don't expect all the vivid blacks. Okay, it is running on Android 8.1.0, which is nougat, and just fingers crossed for the Pie update. Samsung. So yeah. Okay, what else we got here? Oh, you can okay, let's just skip this. Okay, well now, multitasking menu. Dial opens very smooth. It's snappy. Messages. Okay, we'll go camera afterwards. Let's go YouTube. Oops, we don't have a connection, sorry. Okay, what else we got here? List view. Oh, okay, I don't prefer this because in the thumbnail view you can actually see what's going on in the app, so they just quickly switch to that. Okay, and let's talk about the front facing camera, which is a 5 megapixel shooter with f2.0 aperture for those selfies. I'll just show you some camera samples right now which I shot. This one is normal photo, this one is a normal, this is a wide angle, as you can see. This is a normal one, this is the wide angle one, some night shots. Stay tuned for my full review, as I'll be reviewing this phone soon. And that's been much it for the unboxing. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.